Boost Mobile advertises free activation, but it's crucial to understand what this really means. True cost-free activation is rare. Typically, the activation fee, $10 if applicable, is waived when you The activation fee is waived when you purchase a new phone directly from Boost, bundle a phone with a specific plan, use a referral code from an existing customer, or take advantage of limited-time promotional offers. For example, bundling a phone with a plan can make activation free. These offers often require committing to a monthly plan with autopay. Always verify the details of the offer, as they often require purchasing a phone or committing to a monthly plan with autopay. Avoid third-party hack methods, as these are often scams. Activation is primarily done online through the Boost mobile app or website. You'll need a compatible unlocked GSM phone and a Boost SIM kit. Scan the SIM, enter your personal information, and select a plan. If eligible for free activation through a promotion, the activation fee should be waived during the process. Keep in mind that while the activation fee might be free, you'll still need to pay for the phone, if purchased, and the first month of your chosen plan. Ensure you have a valid payment method ready. Remember to activate within 30 days of receiving your SIM to avoid issues.